The Institute of Urology and Kidney Diseases, also known as the Kidney Hospital, Sonapur, Assam, announced the successful completion of its 110th free kidney and urology health checkup camp held on Friday at the Shillong Press Club, Lower Lachumia. Recognized as Northeast India's first and only dedicated urology-nephrology hospital, iUKD organized the camp in collaboration with the Shillong Press Club. The event drew a large turnout of Meghalaya residents who availed expert consultations and screenings from Dr. Arup Kumar Nath, iUKD's chief urologist, popularly known as, quote, "Laser Man of India," unquote. Dr. Nath and his medical team provided screenings and advice on a range of conditions including kidney stones, prostate ailments, cancers of the kidney, ureter, bladder and prostate, kidney failure, urinary issues in women, and sexual health concerns for both genders. Following the camp, Dr. Nath addressed the media outlining the Institute's mission to deliver advanced kidney and urological care to undeserved regions across Northeast India. He emphasized that all patients attending the camp, as well as those visiting the Sonapur facility, would be eligible for free consultations along with special discounts on diagnostic tests aimed at promoting affordable healthcare access. Dr. Nath also announced plans for additional health camps, with the next one scheduled for the 2nd of August 2025. He thanked the Shillong Press Club and the local media fraternity for their partnership and support, acknowledging their key role in reaching communities in need. Expressing gratitude for the enthusiastic public response, Dr. Nath reiterated iUKD's commitment to community outreach and said the Institute would continue to organize similar initiatives in the future to improve health outcomes across the region.
For the last 1.5 years or so, we are conducting free kidney and urology health and awareness camp across Northeast, and as part of that, along with Shillong Press Club on 13th of June 2025, we are holding this 110th number kidney and urology free health camp here at Shillong Press Club. So here, patient of kidney stone, prostate problem, urological cancers, kidney failure, sexual issues, and urinary problem faced by male and female, all those patients we used to see and free of cost. At the same time, we give some basic medication also free of cost. So I am happy today for this opportunity given to us by Shillong Press Club to offer our service to the needy people of Shillong and Meghalaya. As I have already said, the first two causes of kidney failure are high blood pressure and high sugar. Then over-the-counter analgesic drug like painkiller, commonly known as painkillers. So and kidney stone, if the stone is for long duration, it can damage the kidney too. So those patients suffering from blood pressure and sugar, they should get their kidney health checked at a regular interval, and they should control the blood pressure and sugar strictly so that it cannot damage the kidney. At the same time, over-the-counter taking painkiller tablet is very dangerous. It can damage the kidney. And if the stones are there, we should treat. If the size is less than 7 milliliter, we can treat that kind of stone with medicines only. If it is more than 7 milliliter, we need to remove the stone initially with laser, later with pinhole technique. Cutting the abdomen for kidney stone should not be done nowadays, which is rampant, I think, in the state of Meghalaya, because we do not have much urologists there. But nowadays, minimally invasive treatment is possible for any size of kidney stone. Initially, no cut, no stitch, laser technique, and later on, if the stone becomes bigger than a certain size, like 1.5 centimeter, we can do a pinhole technique, keyhole technique in the back of the patient to remove stone. So cutting for kidney stone in the body should not be done nowadays. So yes, for kidney stone, again, non-vegetarian food is very rampant. Non-vegetarian food, red meats, which are one of the common causes for kidney stone formation. So and taking less water or less fluid. So these are the causes for high kidney stone in the state of Meghalaya. And yes, because people used to take lots of betel nut and tobacco, so chances of kidney and bladder cancer is very, very high. And I can proudly say that I started laser treatment for stone in the year 2011 for the first time in Northeast, and for prostate for the first time in Northeast in the year 2015. And after that, we have done nearly 10,000 laser cases in stone and prostate. And what we could see that by doing a procedure with laser is incomparable to a conventional surgery, because the patient's pain is very less. We need not have to cut a big incision in the body. The hospital stay goes down drastically. From 3 to 5 days, it has gone down to 1 to 2 days. By doing that, you can save lots of effort from the patient, lots of money from the patient, lots of work loss. And once we do a minimally invasive treatment like RIRs, no cut, no kidney stone treatment nowadays, we can admit the patient same day, we can operate and discharge the patient same day. He can walk in, get the operation done in the hospital and stay for 4 to 5 hours. After that, he can walk back. He can join back his work next day. So if you see that by doing that, we have cut down lots of hospital stay and patient in the bed. So see recurrence in prostate disease, if we operate with laser, recurrence is very less in comparison to conventional surgery. For prostate and conventional surgery, which is called PURP, the recurrence is nearly 20%. With laser, it is less than 1% because bleeding is not there. We need not have to transfuse blood. That also again complication of blood transfusion. At the same time, cost of blood transfusion is not there when you operate with laser, and there are less chances of electrolyte imbalance. The hospital stay goes down. The painkiller requirement is less because we do not cut a very small incision while doing with laser. So there are lots of advantages when we operate patient with laser.